settle this matter. Neighbor, can you imagine? Look, see them. All these chingon girls, they compare themselves to me.
Your dry chest.
Say they sexy past me. Can you imagine?
How does the one argue now? You sexy past one, you sexy past one. How won't they know?
Neighbor, check out.
Jesus.
What's up, my people on the day? It's OBIKING and welcome back once again to another episode of my comedy reaction. Guys, please make sure you watch my video to the very end because this is a blockbuster. It's the best you've ever seen. So make sure you watch it to the very end. And like I always tell you guys, I have a second channel. You can check the link down in the comment section or in the description below. I also make comedy reaction on that one. But it's a totally different video from this. You understand? You cannot find what you've already watched here on the other channel. So check it out, man. Check it out. It's very, very okay. So don't play. Let's go have some fun, my people. See the apple. Show my vampire they see. I'll be waiting. Vampires.
Omo, this one way doctor don't say I don't get HIV, eh? But anyway, life goes on.
Vampire here HIV, then go back. You know that this time. Undefeated bro. Open your breast, open it.
You dey wine.
This one too like breast. What? Show a Messi picture. Show a Messi. Either Messi or Ronaldo.
Messi. Hey! Now the greatest player of all time is.
Let's see, Mumu. You know, Grivel and winner. You win, Sha.
Work is done.
Okay.
Hello, beautiful angel. Hello.
They are 2-2 win.
Babe, you can imagine this man has been following me since.
Oh, madam, respect, oh, madam.
How's the family?
How's the family? My family with this. Wow, a very beautiful boy where you marry you. Wow.
Chiefly, you will die.
Jesus!
Sorry, you.
Sabinus, you know the girl says again.
Cool down, baby, cool down. No, the first time me I get.
Baba, oh yeah, airport. Who be this? Hello?
Shaggy, how far now?
Who be this?
John will be this. You don't know my voice again.
Tola. Sorry, no verse. I don't know say that you.
You never enter Abuja. I be still there.
Which road? I know the road, yo. I see the Lagos.
Shaggy, if not joke, I beg stop am. No be you talk say you go enter night bus from Lagos.
Calm down. And I plane at the carry come.
Wait, you want enter plane?
Nah.
You want use almost 200k take it?
From where? 200k, bago. Oh, 90k from Lagos to Abuja. SE Jet Express. Now you there if you run out.
You sure say no be scam?
Now you dey carry come now.
Mumu. That's what I do. Mama, you don't get sense again. You don't sleep, go. You don't sleep, go, move.
Hello?
Welcome to Abuja, sir.
I don't like Abuja.
It's serious, oh. You never see so this your 90K for Jet Express. Don't be scam.
Advert.
When I tell you, say XE Jets, man, the best plug. You say I joke at it. I send me address, make I come to wedding.
Shaggy problem dey oh.
Eh?
Solo don't cancel wedding oh.
He talk say he no go fit dey with that girl again. Say just
I say the girl no sabi cook. I ain't no go fit there with that kind.
kind person.
I know say Solo too like food. Solo na foodie.
What the cause I do with hey! What the cause I do with Solo na foodie? You know say the 90K one take all my Abuja. You know say na borrow. Okay, no problem. Send me Solo address.
That one another problem oh.
Solo don't go solo.
Nobody even know where Solo dey stay.
Solo go Solo.
Shaggy, calm down.
Okay, no problem. Since I don't have Abuja, send me your own address. Hello? Jesus! Hello?
You go turn back, they go, no worry. No worry, don't take the advertise XE Jet for us, no worry. You don't advertise that, no worry.
It's a pity for you.
It's a pity for you.
How much is it?
922,000.
That's nothing.
922,000 naira. Almost 1 million naira. You cannot do
Take. Use my black card. Take my card. Savings account.
Hey, take my gold card.
Bro, use my black card. Use my black card. Allow me to pay for you. I am the man.
I'm a woman and we like to take care of our bills ourselves. What is it?
What is wrong with you? Why are you shouting at me?
I can't stand here and watch you insult me and embarrass my fellow women. I'm representing my fellow women. We don't like it when you men pay our bills. So stop it and stop embarrassing us.
Yeah.
Did you hear that?
Impossible.
You know what? I'm leaving this place. Let me call my friend.
Babe, stop it now, babe.
For what?
Shanda, which kind of rubbish you know? Imagine this, my babe. Immediately I introduced her to Okta. She just changed. Shanda, what's the after that court? I want to join. I swear to God, I join. They go seriously, bro. Court. Do I look like a cultist? No, no. They're the right. Babe, okay, we'll be after that. I beg. Okta is the most reliable global trading platform. It is a broker that allows you to trade on over 300 plus trading instruments on financial markets. And now I introduce my girlfriend to them, and because they are user friendly, whether you are a professional or you are a learner, you will learn fast. They provide you free educational materials like free webinars, free live sessions, and online courses. And those free live sessions, they will help you whether you are professional or beginner. You will learn and you. Do I need to sacrifice? Guys, serious, please, I beg, get out. Sorry. Babe. How do I join Okta? If you use an Android or an Apple, just go to the Play Store or the Apple Store and download Okta. Follow the prompt and use the promo code BRAINJOTTER. You'll get 100% on your first deposit. Do I make myself clear? Oh yeah, do. Make her go download that Okta app. She's on the call. Baby. Sharp for there.
You make the payment.
You say I should use his own. Green to make it easy.
You try to embarrass me and my fellow
back
women
again.
by paying. Isn't it? I don't understand why it's so hard for you men to understand that. Women don't like it when men pay their bills.
This one don't smoke,
oh. It's so hard for you to understand. Let me
say this one don't smoke.
This relationship, it's over.
I love you, that's why I
I don't like this thing. I'm going to look for a man that will allow me pay my bills and not insult me and my fellow Nigerian women that don't like men paying their bills.
Babe, I'll let you pay next 2 weeks. Babe.
Women say they know what.
Not true.
Not true. No, na answer.
I go back Instagram skit maker. God forbid. Ballers! I go back all the old ballers for Lagos.
On 1 December, no do bego.
Paying in December.
I want the bad chicken. I want to pass here like that. Yeah, good afternoon. Good afternoon.
See, how much for this chicken?
This one I go just give you for 30,000. You find where.
Jesus.
Come on, you know, man, I mean, not be chicken will come by now. Foul. I go give you that one for 29,500. For foul. I beg me. If that your mama you go allow sell like that, you dey craze for head. Because just they make me the best. I bet na cash a bit transfer on a Bitcoin you want use.
Bitcoin?
Which I be if that Bitcoin gets very short plug, you just use kicking, they do it for me. Then they trade anything tradable, gift card and BTC. Then they do it. If you just do a falla, pass the dossier. Once I get everything. Oh, we may which one you they do.
They don't go out.
Daddy, How do you guys afford this big chicken in this our economy?
My daughter. Let's still have.
You don't have to bother yourself, okay? Just eat your food.
Let's still have.
Chop rice, chop rice. Chop rice.
Chop rice first.
No meat, chop rice.
Let's still the chicken.
Okay, open this door at the front of your gate. Say you want to fit and girlfriend. Come and fight for one place. Open that bastard. Where the that bastard?
And what did they find here? What did they do here?
I come evangelism. We get night video on Friday. Then you talk to us more. Sorry, sir.
You see anybody? You see anybody here?
Yeah, get one guy wearing blue. He passed the wrong go that side. Just a shout. Yeah. Where is that? That side, that side. Can't go say I wear suit, come fight.
Oh yeah.
Why you tell?
Why you frowning your face? What's your problem?
I don't know. This is morning. We did gloomy.
Moody. Go ahead, please, I'm your father. Tell me what's the problem. So, what you need? You get someone pregnant again?
Again?
I'm just depressed.
Holy Ghost fire.
This is repercussion of too much bluffing. When you watch too much bluffing, there's no space in your medulla oblongata for productive thought. It does. Now you say you are depressed.
Now phone. Every day, morning till night, phone.
Press. How will you not be depressed? Let me tell you something. The pressure is costly, and you cannot afford it. It does.
I don't know, because I make you go shop, now you do all this one.
The moment you go to shop, that's when you are doing your face like you bear. Like shit. Let me tell you something, motherfucker. See, the pressure is for rich people. You can't afford it, you are broke. Okay? You are depressed, but you can finish one pack of spaghetti and tell my money. You are depressed, but you can press from. You are depressed, you can press breast. I've catched him pressing breast before. Yes. You are depressed, but you can watch blue film.
Which kind of part with this
Let me
one?
tell you something. That's how you face for. Because when life is hard, you say you are depressed. Motherfucker.
You see, that's what I don't like about you African parents. You guys don't take mental health issues seriously. You know that depression can make someone commit suicide.
Suicide for which house?
Yes.
You want to kill yourself?
I did not say that. I did not sound.
Are you threatening us? Are you threatening us?
I did not say anything.
See, let me tell you, before you kill yourself, I will kill you. You will tell me if you are the one that orgasms yourself. If you are the one that do, is that your money?
And all the breast milk when you don't suck, you go vomit all of it.
Yes! What breast milk is supposed to suck? It does. You want to kill yourself,
I did not say myself.
Judge. And the breast. Why there's much of, sir? I'm sorry because of small job is God will not give him. Why just much of, sir? Judge, you should have the press.
I must have. He didn't pack everything.
Thank you, Dad.
You should have the press. If you put it in your mouth.
He packed everything.
Let's go make most of it.
You should have the press.
This is Otunba.
Where are you coming from?
Oh, I'm coming from Marius' place.
Which Marius?
Marius, my friend. I told you I'm going to his place for the weekend.
Where are you coming from?
Babe, I'm coming from Marius' place. Now my friend, one that has hair.
You can come out. Your friend actually came to look for you, but I kept him hostage. Now, leave my house.
Let me leave
my house! As for you,
yes, ma'am.
I know what I'll do to you. Now, leave my house.
You know what you go do.
Just put that to us.
Leave!
You know what you go do. No worry. Oh yeah. When I will continue from here on and stop.
As for you,
Jesus.
my boyfriend, you need to hide.
Me, hide. Come on, wait. What's your problem? Didn't you also go out to cheat? Wait, I have a plan.
Now let's go and finish what we started.
Oh, Billy!
All of now we say they do a shower. My mother know what they do for a living.
Don't say that your plan. Yeah, 2012. When your friend trips you.
Okay.
hours later.
Whoa, Cypher.
They don't grow.
Whoa. I've been a longest time. Oh. I swear. I don't even find where to sleep for Lagos. I don't know, say my guy don't make them. I just do your side now. Man, no sure. Now that's one small bedroom apartment. Me and my baby share. Now that will be a problem. Don't worry. Hey! Anywhere I go sleep. I will sleep for parlor, I will sleep for kitchen, I will sleep for free. Don't worry, I go just do. I want no nah. You know my guy, and if they allow you to sleep for ground. But you know, say since small, I always turn up for you. Now you know what can turn up for me. Father.
Because you give up biscuits.
We ain't a mood.
We don't job, thank God we don't cover this like
I don't understand. You know, say I we see last chop. Maybe for you down the happen. You know, see if na me chop this money, I don't go do this kind of thing. Cause when I get my own, you gotta share.
This is the best. You the best.
Biscuits you give us that way when I small.
Jesus.
What's going on here?
Okay, come out now. My baby don't invest already. I remember the day on Tuesday. You come meet me. You tell me say you never chop. I use the last card within my hand. I use and go buy biscuits, and I give you.
Bring a corner.
Make I not hear that rubbish you're about to do.
You go back to 2007, go collect the biscuits.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to upload my pictures on IG.
Babe, please, do you have spare shaving powder?
Yes, check in the wardrobe.
What?
Thank you. I love you, babe.
Love you too. Why are you gay?
Married in 2021.
When I release this song, our life will change.
Baby, you've been upcoming for like 15 years. First time you say your pastor saw it in a dream, one thing.
Bye. Bessie don't die. Normalize sky. All up in your face is acting. Hate you out with a passion.
Demo. I'm a foul. Demo. You don't know Demo.
That's my ex.
Will I use blue full on?
How far, Chief?
How far? What's up, baby? How are you? I missed you.
I miss you too.
Are you sure? This your new boyfriend?
Come on. I know my stuff when I see one.
Yes. But it's complicated.
What do you mean?
Just like his music career, I don't think would work.
I dey kill this shit like Kilishi. I be fly boy, you can call me Wichi.
You know the man. You know the man.
Call me Joseph, cause I dream.
Woman don't make a mad. Woman don't make a mad.
Na dream.
Producer.
Woman don't make a mad. Can you imagine?
How? Human beings are wicked. Fiakwa. Know who you call your homie.
Never. You win a whim.
You guys know the crowd happen now.
Leave me alone. You see anybody where they beat me? Eh? Me and you know say when you pack come this compound, now only me they give you food where they chop. That and one see your pack, one day your face salad, one day your phone, one day that's what they give you. Before you know it, sometimes I even they fry plantain self they give you. Since all these small girls come here, you leave me. You go they follow Obelo Mazi. When no sabi cook anything, people where they fry egg they give you. Egg and no face salad, you no go choose one.
Wait though. So of course I don't eat your food, they cry.
Yes.
Don't do, no cry again, no verse, sorry. You cook?
Yeah, I get rice and pepper soup.
Pepper soup?
No, I no be peculiar, no be that type. You can't see but rice and pepper soup from heavens, eh?
Hey, I bring another eat,
eh?
Clap for Jesus! Clap for Jesus!
Yeah.
Well, throw him, yo. You know they had that. You know they had that to throw away. It's easy.
How's your uncle? Adaba. Now go the chop. Make I reach market. Make I cook another one. Where we say I got Adaba inside. I'm gonna go bring water for you later.
No wala.
What is the apple for you?
Neighbor, as the only man within this compound, not only you fit settle this
matter? They go carry you match. Look, see them. All these chingon girls, they compare themselves to me.
Your dry chest.
Say they sexy pass me. Can you imagine?
How does the one argue that? Sexy pass is for you, sexy pass is for I want to know.
Check out, man.
Jesus.
Oh, fire.
They show free everything.
Calm down. See, I don't hear an argument like this, and I know who sexy pass. Like this, now make I tell her who sexy pass. You
want spoil show for her? You want spoil show for her? First when they see free something. You gonna. Enjoyment one.
I'm warning you. I'm warning you.
Let me vet my spin on you.
I'm warning you. I'm warning you.
What do they worry these two guys? Not be lawyers with this.
Two grown-up lawyers go they fight under this kind of hot sun.
Can you imagine?
Why? And no, not try you. They see this guy grown-up lawyers and they under hot sun they fight. Not to separate them.
So we where they are, they mind our business. We be more happy. Action.
You can ask your generation.
Okay, that's okay. Okay, what will be the problem?
I will not take such bureaucratic insolence from you. This is the profession, Jacques Square. 20 years in this profession. How now have you just opposed my personality within the jurisprudence of the court of law? How do you tell me that within the strong formula that's cheating? It's not done. Such as enigmatic and pragmatic and sporadic juvenile delinquency and epileptic tendency. I will not let you exasperate that on me. It's not done anywhere.
I beg. Mona no verse. I understand what he explains.
Over Sabi, separate them now. Body.
Okay, we were there since they see these two grown men they fight for us. So if you say we be mumu, no get sense.
They English too much.
You we are coach and no say you go get sense past this one.
It's a pity for you.
Thank you very much. First and foremost, I would like to verbose in a poker modus operandi so that your hypothalamus can actually submerge and imbibe what I'm trying to vocalize. Do you look at my physiognomy and physiog? This is Professor Barrister Titus, an academic juggernaut, erudite, egged, and long-headed apologetic in this cosmopolitan metropolis. I'm a man that is eclipsed with nirvana. I love equanimity, tranquility, and placidity. This cracksman, dacoit, defalcator, and peculator, we were actually propelling and galvanizing from the judicial edifice. And we saw some spondulics on the floor, and he's trying to deglutionize, skedaddle, and skidoo with it. That is too egregious and abysmal. So we need to have an armistice and moratorium in order to kibojis, pugnacious, and equanimous, hawkish grapple. What do you think?
It's not done anywhere.
No problem.
No, I cannot accept this from you.
Continue.
The boof, golf, hawkish, and cataclysmic gaga. I cannot accept this brouhaha from you.
Mona no verse. Where did they say paracetamol around here? Are they get headache?
It's a pity for you.
You go try go down the street, go by, eh? No, go separate.
Go make peace.
No, you are a wally, nyaf, mompara, and dingo belly. I cannot accept this jiggery pokery from you. You can never skedaddle with my spondulics and wonga.
I don't want to mumble and jumble words with you. 50-50 or nothing.
No, 70-30.
70-30, I said.
If you na money they cause this problem, at the year 50-50, 70-20. Okay. Now money, he make a go.
Go.
Okay.
50-50 by Titus.
Thief. Hello.
Who goes see them at?
At the year 50-50, 70-30. That means no man make not tell me say that money they give on this problem.
What else wants to cause hula baloo between two others under the sun? Look at, we picked this from the ground on our way back from the court. Now he's telling me he's going to pay 70 naira and take 30 naira.
100 naira.
How many cases has he won? 50-50 or nothing? 50 naira, 50 naira. So I can enter keke with the 50 naira.
My brother, I'm a high mock and bench of the judiciary. A head honcho of this cosmopolitan metropolis. How am I going to share the same swallowing with him? I'm going to take 70 naira while I give you 30 naira.
Wait.
100 naira.
No, not tell me say 100 naira. They made two lawyers. They fight under this hot sun.
We are in business now.
Now they cause quarrel between the two for this hot sun.
Are you playing? What type of playing is this?
Wow. You take this 100 naira for peace to reign.
Now peace maker, you know what? Very good.
After all, lawyers are not even well paid in this country.
Don't go there.
If you want to help us, please do it amicably. What kind of insult?
100 naira. Then make two lawyers. They speak grammar under this kind of hot sun.
It's a pity.
Now, wow.
Lucky that someone came to salvage the situation.
You shall let us say same thing. Hey, another one.
50-50, 70-30, 50-50, 70-30. I saw this one first. God I fire you.
Headache one I give me, I don't feel recover from him.
50-50. Family boost. Gaga to one guy.
I got the advice from a madman.
My madman, then always give you advice. These two people don't get sense. They don't be get sense again. How two grown-up players go to quarrel on top 100 naira and still a quarrel on top 1,000 naira? Can you imagine? Thank God. Anyways, thank you guys for watching to the very end. What's your favorite part of the video? Drop it right in the comment section. And check out my other videos. There's so many videos on my channel. Check them out, guys. And remember to check out my other channels. My other channel, the link to it is right there in the description below or in the comment section. Check it out, watch it, subscribe. I post videos there every day as well. You understand? So see you in the next one, guys. Peace and love.